Imagine you're sitting on a park bench, sipping a coffee. A friend walks up and asks you, "Hey, when did Vivid Money start?" You pause, thinking. "Great question," you reply. "I've been wondering that myself." Let's dive in. The beginning of Vivid Money. Vivid Money, that sleek, modern banking app, didn't spring up overnight. It's a story of innovation, vision, and a desire to redefine traditional banking. The journey began in 2017. A group of tech enthusiasts and financial experts came together with a shared goal to create a banking experience that was more intuitive, transparent, and user-friendly than anything on the market. They envisioned an app that would empower people to manage their finances with ease and confidence. Early challenges and milestones. Like any startup, Vivid Money faced its fair share of challenges. Securing funding, building a robust technological infrastructure, and navigating regulatory hurdles were just a few of the obstacles they had to overcome. But with perseverance and a strong belief in their mission, Vivid Money achieved several significant milestones. 2018, the app launched in Germany, offering a limited range of features. 2019, Vivid Money expanded its services to include budgeting tools, investment options, and a community marketplace. 2020, the app gained traction during the COVID-19 pandemic as people sought convenient and digital ways to manage their finances. Growth and expansion. As Vivid Money continued to evolve, it attracted a growing user base and expanded its operations to other European countries. The app's popularity can be attributed to several key factors. User-friendly interface. Vivid Money's intuitive design makes it easy for users of all ages and tech backgrounds to navigate. Transparent fees. The app is committed to providing clear and upfront information about its fees and charges. Innovative features. Vivid Money offers a range of features that set it apart from traditional banks, such as budgeting tools, investment options, and a community marketplace. The future of Vivid Money. Today, Vivid Money is a thriving fintech company with a bright future. As the app continues to grow and evolve, it is poised to become a major player in the global banking industry. So, to answer your question, Vivid Money started its journey in 2017. From humble beginnings to a leading fintech platform, the app has come a long way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.